Howdy, today we're going to go to Subway. We're going to try that new series sandwich. It's number 15 called Titan Turkey. Sounds good. Let's go get it. Alright, we got our sandwich. Looky here. Subway. Alright, let's see what we got. Napkins, need those, yes sir. Now this is the number 15. It's called Titan Turkey. It comes with a third more turkey in it, double the amount of cheese. Then it comes with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, mayonnaise. Guess what? I added ranch dressing to mine, okay? So it's maybe a little bit messy, all right? We'll see what we got here, okay? Now, this is on their artisan bread that they standardly comes on. I didn't get the Italian urban cheese this time, so, ooh, look at this. Let's see if we can get this wrapped up here so we don't get it all over me, all right? Sometimes you've probably seen me do that, though. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Woo! This is not the Italian urban cheese. See, this is their standard artisan bread, okay? Wow, look at all that. You see all that turkey and stuff in there? Look at that. I think we better get us a bite of it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's good turkey, I have to say that. There's a lot of turkey on there. Look at that. You see all that turkey on there? I got my Dr. Pepper. Now you remember in the app, they don't have Dr. Pepper. So you just order a fountain drink. They'll give you a cup and you just fill your own. They have Dr. Pepper at the fountain, okay? I think we need another bite here. Yep, that's good. Have you tried this yet? If you have, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about it. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to. Then leave me a comment. I like comments. You know, I've got people that just say, hello. That's fine. I like that. So tell me to go jump in the lake if you want to. I don't care. I like comments. Now, mine is not roasted. So it's cold. You can get it roasted. You could add, subtract anything you want on your sandwich. It's the way it does at Subway. So if there's something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment. We'll see if we can get it up here for you. May already have it, so go check out the playlist under Subway. Also under Taste Test. Another bite. That's a lot of turkey. You see all that turkey right there? Look at that. A lot of meat. All right, rating. I know I probably tell you this every time, but 1 to 5, 1 being, whoa, nah. 5 being, yeah. I'm going to rate this about 4. I think it's very good. I like it. You need to try it, okay? Just be careful. If you get mayonnaise and ranch, it's going to drip. So that's why it's sitting in this. Thought I'd drip some on me there, but I didn't. Dr. Peck time. Okay, we're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any. Leave a comment, okay? Go check out the playlist. Subway. All the Subway stuff's under Subway. Everything is under Taste Test. But everything also has its own. Subway, Sonic, Dairy Queen, Whataburger, all of them have their own. They're on the playlist, okay? So go check them out, okay? See you next time. Guess what? I'm not through. This is pretty good. I'm going to have to get some more of this. Got ranch dressing on my cheek there. This is very good. Have you tried? Excuse me, talking with my mouth full. Have you tried it yet? Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have. What you think about it. How did you rate it? Remember, the ratings are strictly my opinions, okay? You may rate it better. You may rate it worse. That's up to you. You're eating it. You rate it, okay? I think I need to get me another bite. Boy, it's a lot of turkey. If you like turkey, this is good. Remember, it came with 33% more turkey than they normally put in them, their standard sandwiches. This is under the series sandwiches. Number 15, Titan turkey. Okay? Do I need another bite? Yeah. I'm a big fan of onions on mine. So this has got onions on it, okay? I know some people don't like onions, but hey, everybody make the sandwich how you want it, okay? Add something, subtract something. It's up to you. If you're eating it, you get what you want on it. Getting kind of small, isn't it? That Artisan white bread's pretty soft. I like that. Okay, yeah, no, you probably don't want to sit here and watch me eat my lunch, so makes you hungry, don't it? Well, that's what it's supposed to do. Okay, remember, leave a comment, okay? Even if you don't like it, that's okay. Just tell me. Say hi. We'll say hi back to you. Go watch the playlist. There's many more of these up there. There's also other ones under Dairy Queen and Sonic and whatever. If there's something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment. We'll see if we can get it up here for you. And it could already be here. If it is, I'll tell you where it is, okay? But like and subscribe so you don't miss any more of these. See you next time.